All right, I'm going to go over how to set up your homepage. I'm going to continue. So right now we went over just, basic content and sidebar, but let's cover how to make your homepage look like the live preview. So actually each one of these sections is a widget. So let's go ahead and go over that. So I'm going to open this in another tab so we can kind of tab back and forth between your dashboard and the live preview. So under appearance and widgets, this is where it all happens. So when I reference widget areas, these are the two on the home page. So this one's just on the home page and this one's on every page. So in the live preview, for instance, when you go to any page, there's this widget at the bottom. So this widget is in the widgets on all pages, while the rest are on the home page. So don't worry if you're confused. Let's just start with some examples. So the first one in the live preview is actually this highlight widget. So if you drop that on there, you'll notice there's a ton of options, but they're really easy to follow. So let's just drop that in and you can see how that shows up. So if we refresh the site, there's the widget area. Pretty cool, right? So you can do things like you can adjust the title, the text, the buttons if you want, as well as the background color if you want to change that, or even add a background image. So if you refresh that, you can see how we changed various sections. If you want only one button instead of two, just to delete the second button text, and you've got yourself one button. So it's pretty easy for that. Then the next thing to go over is there's 3 different widgets to choose from. Let's go over the map widget next. So let's go and save that. And there's our map widget. And of course, it uses our Google Map shortcode. So you will adjust your address, adjust the zoom, adjust the title, and the height as you want, if you want a taller or shorter map. And then you can adjust the text right here, which you see just like the other widget. Again, you can just play around with these options as much as you would like. So I just went ahead and changed the background color just for the heck of it to show you that. And then this checkbox for light text. Let's go over that in another example. So yeah, that covers widgets, and you can reorder them all you would like. So let's go ahead and reorder those back. And I'm actually going to edit the homepage, and let's just remove the content for now. That way I can go over how to make it look exactly like the live preview. So we've got that widget there, the highlight widget, a map widget, and we'll go over the listing details and listing gallery in the next video. But one thing I wanted to touch on is the widgets on all pages. So for instance, what we have in the live preview, we threw a highlight widget in there, and I think I have interested in a showing, and then we're using only one button, and then I have schedule a showing. And then let's go ahead and pick a lime green like color. And we're going to check the box since we want light text, since it's a dark background. So when you scroll to the bottom, you can see how that showed up. So it's really easy. And then since we did that on all pages, you can see it displaying on all pages. So again, in these home areas, you're going to use one of these 3 home widgets. And you can either have it just display on the home page or display on every page. And then you can just click these drop downs, play around with the settings. You can really change things a lot in the look of them really easily via those settings. So pretty easy to adjust these sections on your home page.